Another time and distance problem. So it says this is point P lying between A and B somewhere. Let me mark this with a different color. So we have point P lying between A and B, such that the length of BP is thrice that of AP. So that is given. So this ratio is given. BP and AP ratio is 3:1. So P is dividing this AB in the ratio 1:3. Car 1 is starting from A, moving towards B simultaneously. Same time, car 2 starts from B and move towards A. So let's first draw the line to indicate the distance. So let us say this is the entire distance, A to B. And let's say this point is P because A is closer to P, 3:1. So let me do that. So this ratio is 1:3, right? Great. Now car one is moving from A to B. So this is the movement of car one, and car two is moving from B to A, and they're starting simultaneously as well. Great. Now car two reaches P 1 hour after car one reaches P. So it says that car two takes 1 hour to travel BP, 1 hour more to travel BP than car one takes to travel AP. That is what this point is indicating, right? Because they're starting simultaneously and they reach 1 hour. Car two is reaching 1 hour later. Okay, I'll keep that information as of now because that's not a ratio. I like ratio type of information when it comes to time and distance. It's easy to relate. If you read the next sentence, that itself is a ratio. Speed of car two is half of that of car one. So this is brilliant information because as soon as I know the speed ratio, I already have the distance ratio between AP and BP. So the traveling distance of car one and car two. And now I can use that 1 hour difference in time to relate with these things. But let us, before we get into that, let's understand what is required here. The time in minutes taken by car one in reaching point P from A. So effectively, we need to find how much time does the car one take to travel this distance. Let's call this T. There's no harm in doing this. So let's call this T. Now I'll do it in this way. Suppose the speeds of car one and car two had been equal. If that was the case, then car two would have traveled this distance in 3t time because the distance is 3 times. If the speed is same, it will take 3 times the time, right? But since the time is half of it, it will take double of this time, right? So effectively, it will take 60 to travel this distance. Now, what we know is that the traveling time is 1 hour more for car two than for car one, right? So we know the difference is 60 minus t is 1 hour, but we need the time in minutes. So I'm just writing 60 minutes for this. So what you get is 5t is 60. So t is equal to 12 minutes. So that was a requirement, by the way, find the time t in minutes. So the answer here is 12. We need to input the answer as minutes. Pretty simple question. If you draw the diagram, it becomes simplified further. So I would say roughly a minute to solve this question. And definitely in round one, of course. Don't leave out these kind of questions in round one. If you're not getting the relation, then maybe in round two, but I would prefer that you solve these kind of questions in round one. It's a very simple question. Just draw the diagram, relate everything, and you get the answer. So that's it for this question. Thank you.